Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you all? All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm going on.
going on. Okay. Okay, then. So there are 20 people. Okay. So today we are going to have week six open session, right? So have you gone through the week six videos, lectures?
No, ma'am. Completed week 5 assignment, grade assignment.
Okay. So you have not watched week six?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, then. So, okay. Then let's start with week six. Everybody ready then? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. Okay. So in week five, what all we learned in week five? We learned
All
about
about
permutation.
permutation.
We learned about
Permutation,
permutation.
combination.
Okay. So what is permutation basically? When it
Permutation.
is used, permutation is basically used when order matters, right? Correct? When
Yes.
order matters and we are actually trying to find out the number of arrangements, right? Yes or no? And what is the
Yes,
formula
ma'am.
for permutation? NPR,
NPR.
which is equals to n factorial divided by
n minus
N
r
minus R
factorial.
factor.
n minus r factorial. Fine. So this was all about the permutation. Now in week six, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about the combination. Okay. Okay. So in permutation, we were actually considering the order and the number of arrangement. Now in this, the order does not matter. Okay. This is the one point. Now the second point is we are actually just selecting something. Like if we have like five people from that, we have to choose, like we have to select two people, so we are just selecting things, we are selecting objects. Okay, then we use combination. Okay. Now let's suppose we have three students, A, B and C. We have three students. Okay, now the thing is we have to choose two people at a time. So can you tell me what all possible combinations we can have? See, we can have AB. Yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can have AC. We can have BC. These are the combinations that we can have, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, these are the combinations. Now, in each of the combinations, so okay, let's take AB. In this AB, we can have two arrangements, right? In the first place, we can have A. In the second place, we can have B. In the similar way, in which I can have B in the first place and A in the second place. Similarly, for AC, I can have two choices, two arrangements. In first place, I can have A. In the second place, I can have C. I can have C in the first place and A in the second place. Similarly, in this also, B, C, C, A. In total, how many arrangements do I have?
Ma'am, six.
I have six, right? And total combinations, I have three, correct?
3.
So can I write the number of combination into 2 factorial is basically equal to the number of permutation? What are the number of combination? 3 into 2 factorial. That means the total number of arrangements, right? So in each of the combinations, I am having in each of the combination, I'm having two arrangements. So I can say 2 factorial ways. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And 3 into 2 factorial is basically what? 6. So if I have three, let's suppose if I have three students, A, B, and C, and I have to arrange them, like I have to choose two students and I have to arrange them. So basically, I need to find out permutation. So it will be what? 3P2 Correct?
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is what? 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into, this is
Yes.
permutation, right? Yeah. It will be 2 factorial, right? So this is what? 3? 3 into 2, 3 minus 1. Okay, just a second. So this is 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, this is 1 factorial. So basically we have 3 into 2, which is equals to 6. So 3p2 is actually what? 6. Same thing. We have 3 combinations into 2 factorial, which is 6. Fine. So now this is for the one case. Now if I take it for the rth case, I can say that the number of possible combination of R objects from a collection of n distinct objects is basically what? Combination. Fine? Yes or no? Which is denoted by NCR, which is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
For everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. So this is combination. Okay.
Ma'am, it is
Now we
similar
have,
to saying that distributing R objects among n things, but n are not different. They are same.
once again, what?
Ma'am, it's like
Hmm.
there was one question in week 5 grade assignment, something like
Uh,
that. Like there we have to. The teacher said that the first 5 students will only be awarded when they solve one question like that. So they are the first 5. So there are no arrangements in there. We can directly say we can directly NCR like that, NC5.
okay.
So, ma'am, it's like when these type of questions are coming, like first 5, next 6, something like that. So their
Yeah,
arrangement does not matter, right?
arrangement. Yeah, the main thing in combination is these two things, that the order does not matter and we are just selecting. We are selecting any object, we are selecting people, we are selecting something. We are just selecting, we are not arranging. If arrangement is there, we use permutation. If selection is there, we use combination. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have some like some results, some you can say the properties. Okay. Okay. What are the properties? The first property is my NCR will be equal to NCN minus R. Okay. So how will I prove this? Do I need to prove this thing? Or do you guys know? Basically what? See, NCR is basically what? I have, let's suppose I have 1, 2, till n I have n objects. So from that, I am selecting R objects, correct? So in the same way, I can say that these are my n minus R objects. So these are these are the objects that I am not selecting, correct? So I can say that from the n objects, n minus R objects are not selected, correct? Can I say it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And also through the formula also, you can say my NCR is basically what? N factorial divided by n R factorial into n minus R factorial, correct? So this can be written as n factorial divided by n minus r whole factorial into r factorial. And this is actually what? N C n minus r. Fine. This is one property. Now the second property is my NCN is basically 1 and my NC0 is 1. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Then the third property is my NCR is equal to n minus 1 CR minus 1 plus n minus 1 CR, where my R is going from 1 to n. This is one property. Okay. These are my 3 properties of combination. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, the third one, can you
Huh?
explain? The third property.
Yeah, third one. Okay. Let me just give you an example. Let's suppose I have five objects. Okay. Um, let's suppose I have not five objects. Let's take five balls. Okay. We have five balls: ball one, ball two, ball three, ball four, and ball five. Okay. Now, the thing is, I have n is equals to 5. Now, I have to choose three balls. Okay. So, let's suppose in that three balls, the three balls that I'm selecting, ball one is there. Like, I'm in that uh, ball one is selected. Okay. So, what are the way ball one is there? So, what are the ways in which or you can say the combinations we can have? So, the first thing is we can have two combination in the sense that in the first case, I have B1 in the three balls that I'm selecting, right? So we have three balls, 1, 2, and 3. In this first, we have B1. So now the remaining two balls are to be selected from the B1 is already there, correct? So now from the remaining four, I have to select the two balls, correct? So
Yes.
it will be what? 4C2.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now I'm saying that the B1 is not included. Okay. In the three balls that I'm selecting, in that B1 is not there. Okay. So I have three space here. So these three will be, so from the remaining four, B2,
4C3.
B3, yeah. So it will be 4C3. Correct. So basically what I'm doing, I have to, from five balls, I have to select three balls, and this can be written as 4C2 plus 4C3. So if I write this in general terms, this is NCR, which is equals to N minus 1 CR minus 1 plus N minus 1 CR. Fine?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Ma'am,
fine?
what is the use of doing this?
Sorry?
It's like where this will be applicable, like application.
This is just a property. Okay. So if you have any, like, in the exam or something, you get any formula based or something like for the solving purpose
Okay.
or like anything, it can come. Okay, like we have this property, right? NCN is equals to 1, NC0 is equals to 1. These are actually properties of combination. They help you to solve things, right?
Yes,
Yes?
like
Yeah,
I'm
in the
just
same way.
thinking like what kind of question we can get where we can apply this kind of property.
This in this term, maybe they can give you an expression or something, then you have to take it in this form or something, maybe like that.
Mhm.
Is there any question in the, I'll just, uh, maybe, but they won't give you like a difficult question on the basis of this. So
That
you just have to
that
remember this,
okay.
okay? They won't give you that
Uh,
difficult.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask one question, like apart from this topic?
Apart from this topic, okay.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to know in statistics there has been assigned a weekly activity. So, can you like guide me a bit on that?
Uh, what? Repeat again.
On statistics, we have been assigned a weekly activity. So,
Extra activity.
yeah, extra activity, weekly
So have
extra
you gone
activity.
through the introduction videos and everything is there now? Have you gone through that?
Ma'am, I don't know why, but there
Huh?
is only one video. There is one video from that we
Yeah.
can make
So
the
you have,
portfolio.
yeah. So you just have to go through that video. Just go through the video and everything. I think it will be clear, right?
Okay, no, actually there is one video, but actually it is
Mm.
for the portfolio part. Okay,
Okay.
like how we
Yeah.
can create a portfolio and all. Regarding
Uh,
the activity two, I'm also a bit confused.
okay. Can I take it in the last? I'll just finish it up. This theory
Yeah, yeah,
part, and
sure.
then
Any,
I'll come back to
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah, because
sure,
I
sure. Thank
actually
you.
have to see what is the activity. I don't remember it right now. So I'll
Yeah, yeah,
just
sure,
look
sure.
into it and then I'll let you know. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay, so let's do one question for combination. Let's suppose,
Hello.
hello,
Hello. Ma'am, uh, how second part of the formula is we derive?
which second part of the formula?
Ma'am, second
This one?
third property. Third property.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
4C3.
Yes, ma'am.
I have five balls. Okay. And the condition is that B1 is not included in the three selected balls, right? So if B1 is excluded, how many remaining balls do I have? Five, sorry, four.
Yes,
One,
ma'am.
2, 3, and 4. So from these balls, I have to select three balls because I have to fill the three spaces, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be what? 4C3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now is it fine?
Ma'am, but how we can write 5C3 is equal to 4C2 plus 4C3?
In this thing, see, I have to choose from the five balls, I have to choose three. From the five balls, I have to choose three balls, correct? Now I'm taking a condition in, I can have two conditions. Okay, I'm taking one ball, one condition in which I'm like, I can have two conditions in which B1 is included in the three balls or B1 is not included in the three balls, correct? Can I have that condition? Or
Yes,
B2 is
ma'am.
there, B3 is there, B4 is there, B5. I can have these two conditions. Can I have?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Uh,
Okay.
yes,
Uh,
ma'am. Once we
uh,
are including BM and B1
B1.
and and in the next part we are
In the next part,
excluding.
we are not including B1. So I can have two conditions, right? In the case
Yes,
here, I can have B2 also. I can have B3. I can have B4. Anything, correct?
yes, ma'am.
So like if I'm selecting three balls, I can have these two conditions. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the first condition, I have this combination, and in the second condition, I have this combinations. Correct. So this total 5C3 is actually what? 4C2 plus 4C3. If I'm this 5C3 is basically what it is signifying. It is actually I'm select from the five objects, selecting three objects, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the two ways that I can do it, right? Got the point?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm.
Ma'am, you're
What's your
taking two conditions, right? Cases. Either B is there or B is not there. So the possible combinations are these two. So A or B, one of them is the possible combination for the entire five options.
Hmm. What is your doubt in the sense? Like, can you tell me what is the confusion that is creating?
Ma'am, how it is equal to 5C3? 4C2 plus 4C3. How it is
Hmm.
equal to 5C3?
You are okay. You are saying that 4C2 plus like in the calculation part or something. See, if you do 4C2, what is 4C2? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, correct? This is basically what? 6, right? 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, 2, 3 plus 6, right?
Hello, ma'am.
Just calculate and let me know.
Ma'am, I think she is trying to asking about ki how 5C3 is equals to 4C2 plus 4C3. She is
Hmm.
asking about 5C3, I think maybe.
No, the main, like what I understood is basically she is asking, like we say that, right? Uh, like we equate both of the left hand side and right hand side, right? We equate both of the equations. She is saying that, oh, these should be equal to this. But in mathematical sense, what we are saying that 5c, what is 5c3? 5c is basically 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, which is basically 5 into 4 divided by 2, which is 10, right? So I need, so similarly, if you calculate this, this is 6, 4c2 is 6, and 4c3 is what? 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 1 factorial, which is 4. So 6 plus 4 is also 10. So my left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now it is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
This was your doubt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. By
Hmm.
example, it is clear, but I wanted to know by which the way you have explained.
By which way? Okay. Okay, I will come back to this example once again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's do one example here. A box contains 5 red balls. We have 4 white balls. Okay. Then we have 2 blue balls. Okay. Now we are selecting 3 balls at random. You guys have to tell me the answer. Okay. Now find the number of ways by which you can select balls of different colors. Do you guys have pen and paper? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me the answer?
Forty.
40. Okay. Anyone else?
Is it 11?
Okay. 11. Any other answer?
Ma'am, I also think it should be 11.
11. Okay. Any other answer? So many of them are saying 11. One of them is saying 40. Any other?
40.
40. I got only 3, 4 answers. What about others? Can you
Ma'am,
just answer me?
40.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? At least I need 10 answers.
Yes, ma'am, the answer should be 40.
40?
40.
Okay, let's see. So box containing 5 red, 4 white, and 2 blue balls. 3 balls at random. Find the number of ways selecting balls of different color. Okay. So we have 3 spaces here. We have to select 3 balls. Okay, and they should be. So we have to find out the number of ways of selecting balls of different colors. So these 3 spaces, these 3 balls that we are selecting, it should be of different color. So let's say my first ball is red, my second ball is white, and my third ball is blue. Right? Okay. So in how many ways I can select red ball? It is
Ma'am,
5C1.
factorial 5.
5C1.
5C1. Now, in how many ways I can select white balls?
Multiply
4C1.
by 4C1.
Correct.
Yeah.
And blue balls, it will be 2C1. Correct. So if you solve it, it is basically what? 5 into 4 into 2, which is basically 40. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you guys getting 11? Okay, you added all of these. Huh? Yes or no? Did you guys add all of these number 5 plus 4 plus 2? Yes or no? At least say something.
It will give
Yes.
11. Yes.
Sorry.
Ma'am, adding this will give 11.
Yeah. So that is what I'm asking. Like the people who are getting 11, have they added the numbers? That is what I'm asking. That's it.
Yes, ma'am, accidentally actually I added it, but yeah, it
Mhm.
had to be multiplied.
Yeah, it should be multiplied. Okay, because this is only when we add is basically when there is an or. This is basically we are selecting red, then we are selecting white ball, then we are selecting blue ball. Okay, there is no option for or, right? Okay, this is 40. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's take one more example. Okay. Okay, I'll just read the question. Okay. 15 points are chosen in the plane so that no 3 of them are collinear. Okay, so in total I have 15 points, and the 3 of them that we are choosing are not collinear. You guys know what is collinear? Like in the same
Lying
line.
on same straight line.
They lie on the same
Straight line.
line.
Okay, that is collinear. Okay, 3 of them are not collinear. Now, can you tell me how many triangles can they form? Can I get the answer? I have 15 points, and the condition is that no, the 3 of them should be collinear. And how many triangles can be determined from them? You can just, or you can tell me the answer also, or you can tell me like which thing you choose. Like,
Ma'am,
how
there will
many?
be two cases.
Uh,
First case is that select 12 are collinear. So select 12C, 12C2. Okay, and into 3C1. That is one case of forming a triangle. Another case will be 12C1 into 3C2. And another case will be 3C3, 12C0. Yes, that way we can go. And then add all the three cases and finally.
Ma'am, answer can be 455.
okay. Let's see 3 into 3 C1. Let's see 1, 3, 6, 15 plus 3, 4, what about others?
455.
Okay, any other answers?
Ma'am, I also think 455.
455. That's it. Only one answer. 455. Everyone is getting 455. Okay. Now, here this thing actually what you, okay, you are actually taking as like 12, like 12 are non-collinear and 3 are collinear, like that. In this case, the person who told me this thing.
I told you this one.
Yeah, that is what I'm asking. You are taking 12 points as non-collinear and 3 as collinear, correct?
Yes, ma'am. No. 12 are collinear, right? And 3 are non-collinear. Yes, that one.
That is what, but how you are taking, because we are not specifying in the question that which are the, like we are not specifying that 12 are collinear and 3 are not collinear. They are just saying that from the 15 points. Okay, we are not, like in the question they are not dividing it into groups or something. Okay, they are just points. Okay, and like, and no, like 3 of them are not collinear, that they only that thing is set. Okay, so you can't make groups like this. Okay.
So, ma'am, we can also assume the same thing because you have said 3 of them are not collinear. So that means the remaining 12 points, if I draw a line, they will be collinear. So
I can't say
like
that.
that way.
They are only saying that I have 15 like this, 15 points, and they have just said that the 3 points should not be collinear. See, triangle is made with 3 points, right? So I have to make sure that these 3 points are not collinear. So in that way only I can make a triangle, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
When is triangle made? When 3 points are in different, like opposite to each other, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and so that is what they are basically saying. From the 15 points, how many triangles can you determine? Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So in how many ways I can do that? 15 C 3, which is actually what? 15 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 3 factorial. So this is coming out to be 455. Fine.
But ma'am, in this answer that you have calculated 455, there is also one more case, that is you are selecting 3 points from the same collinear point, so it is not forming a triangle.
So yeah, so that case will be what? 15 C 12, right?
Yes.
Huh. So this is actually what? 455 only, na? Same. Fine. Okay.
Ma'am, what if three are collinear?
If 3 are collinear, then we can't make a triangle, right?
Ma'am, I am telling the same thing, that is 15C3, right? From the 15 points, you are selecting 3 points. Now, there is also one case that the 3 points are collinear, so you cannot form the triangle. So, that case, you have to
Okay, let's
minus
suppose,
it.
let's say this thing is not there. Then there are 15 points. How many triangles can you determine?
Yes, then it will be 15C3, that you can say.
It will be 15C3. So triangle is actually made. So in short, they have just said that to confuse you, so that like they have just said that 3 of them should not be collinear. That's it.
So, ma'am, that was not specified before. It was written that out of 15 points, this and this, like that.
Hmm. See, if I have to make a triangle, I have to select 3 from the 15 points. I have to select only 3 points, correct? These 3 points can be anything. I just have to make sure that these 3 points are not collinear.
Yes, ma'am. Now the question is much clear.
Hmm. Okay. Now this was okay. Now what else? Just a second. Yeah, that was all in week 6, I guess. And the main thing is the difference between the and you got to know the difference between the combination, when to use the permutation and combination. When do we use permutation? We use permutation when order matters, when number we are talking about the number of arrangements, and combination is used when order does not matter and we are actually selecting. Correct? These are the things that like when we use permutation and combination. Okay. So let's suppose okay, let's take an example. You have to solve this and let me know. Okay. Out of 6 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Let me know the answers.
Ma'am, with meaning or without meaning?
Without meaning, because they have not mentioned anything, no?
Okay, ma'am.
You just have to make words. Yeah.
60 words.
60 words. Okay.
One 120.
120.
Ma'am, 120.
120. Any other answers?
Ma'am, 120.
Okay.
Yes, 120.
So everybody is getting 120. Okay. Now, out of 6 consonants and 4 vowels, okay, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? So in total, okay, 6 and 4, I actually have 10 letters, right? From this, I have to make 5 letter word, correct? Yes or no? In this, my 3 should be consonant and my 2 should be vowel, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, so from the 6 consonants, I can choose, I will choose 3 consonants. Yes. Then
Ma'am.
from the 4 vowels, I will choose 2 vowels.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Now I have chosen the letters. I have selected the letters. Now I will arrange them in 5 factorial ways.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this will be what?
14,400.
14,400.
400.
Got the question? So here what we are actually using, we are actually both of the things. Here we are using combination and also we are using permutation. Got the point? What we are first doing, we are selecting the letters. We are selecting the letters, then we are arranging them. Okay, so you have to understand what they are asking. They are asking how many words I can form. So word is basically formed with 5 letters. I have selected the letters, then I will arrange them. So I can arrange them in 5 factorial ways.
Yes, ma'am, I
Got the point?
forgot to arrange.
Yeah, correct. Got the point? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure? Okay.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
do another question. How many 2-digit number can be found by using the digit 8, 3, 5, 2, 9 if repetition is not allowed?
Ma'am, 20.
Okay.
It's
40.
20, ma'am.
20.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
40.
Since I got 20. Huh?
Yes, ma'am, 20.
20.
Yes, ma'am, 20. I'm getting 40.
You're getting 40. Okay. Any other answers?
25.
Ma'am, 20.
20. Somebody told me 25, right?
25.
Okay. Any other number? That's it? Okay, let's solve and see. How many 2-digit number can be formed? So we have 2 places here. Using the digit 8, 3, 5, 2, 9. So in total, I have 5 digits, right? So n is actually 5. Repetition is not allowed. So first of all, in the first place, how many numbers I can select? I can choose from the 5 numbers, I can choose
5.
like it will be 5C1, right?
Yes.
In 5, right? Now, repetition is not allowed. So if one number is already selected, in total, I have in the next thing, I have 4 numbers left out. So from this 4, I will select one number, which is 4 ways. So in total, what? It will be 5 into 4, which is
20.
20. Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
I have a
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here we don't have to like arrange, like we don't multiply it with 2 factorial.
Why you are using 2 factorial? See, they are saying that repetition is not allowed. So if one is already selected here, that can't be repeated here, right? So it's already arranged. There is a condition here. Got the point?
And if the repetition was allowed,
Then you could have arranged them or something. You can do that.
okay. Okay.
Okay. then I guess you got the point how to solve it. So this was all in week 6. So first of what we learned, first we learned about the combination thing, what the formulas, their properties. Okay, then we solved some combination thing in which the permutation and combination both is used. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This was all in week 6. Fine. All
Yes,
good?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay then.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Understood.
yeah, that was it in week 6. So okay, so now you just go through the lecture videos. Okay, once again, the questions that we have done today is actually from the activity questions. So there are 2 or 3 more questions left in the first and second. Okay, then you do the practice assignments. Okay. So on Tuesday we have a doubt session. So I'll take your doubts on that day. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So any more questions from the theory part?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. One person had a doubt in that, right? That person is here. I don't know her
Ma'am,
name.
I have to ask something different. Actually, ma'am, I am able to do questions, practice questions. Ma'am, I have completed week 5 assignment PA
Hmm.
and GA by myself.
Hmm.
But ma'am, in week 6, I am not able to do practice assignment by myself. The questions are extremely different and little difficult. Ma'am, can you please tell me how can I
Oh,
do?
okay. Can you see the solutions there? Have
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yeah. So have you watched the solutions? Did you understood the solution thing? If you
Yes,
have.
ma'am, I understood, but ma'am,
Hmm.
I want to understand by myself, not by solution.
By myself. Okay. See, the main thing is these all questions are new to you, correct?
Yes,
So just
ma'am.
go through the solution thing. You will get an idea how to solve the questions.
Okay.
Okay. It's not necessary that you should know each and everything. By watching, see, we also first what we do. If we are not able to do a question, we see the solution. First, you try it. If you're not able to do it, just see the solution. Okay.
Ma'am,
It's fine.
that's
It's not
fine.
an issue. Okay. Because it's your
Ma'am,
first time, you're learning permutation,
that's fine.
combination. It's good. It's fine. Just see the solution, go through it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And then understand, because I am saying the questions are little difficult. You should see the solution then and understand that solution. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
They are a bit tricky.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, anything else?
Hello.
That person is that person here who asked me one doubt, right? The
Yes,
ball
ma'am.
15C3, is she here? I don't know her name.
Yes, ma'am.
You are the one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. So this is the thing. In simple terms, if I just think about it, there are. Okay, in simple terms, see, you have a question. Okay, there are 5 balls. Okay, from these 5 balls, you have to select, let's suppose you have to select 3 balls, correct?
Yes.
Or you can say 5 students are there. Let's take it as students. Students. Okay, now we have 5 students A, B, C, D, and E. From these 5 students, you have to select 3 students. So it will be what? 5C3? Yes or no? Just thing is simple.
Ma'am, 5C3 or 5P3?
You have to select 3 students. I said
Yes.
select.
Yes, ma'am. 5C3.
So 5C3. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, now in this 5C3, there are 3 places, right? So this 3 students that I am selecting, I can have 2 things. two ways to select a students. Let's suppose I am taking one student A. Okay, so if one student, I can have I can have a possibility in which in this three selected students I can have a as a student that is selected. Correct? Can I have a possibility?
Yes, ma'am.
Either I can have A, I can have B, I can have C, any students. Like one person is already selected here. One student is already selected. So I'm taking A as that one person. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if A is already selected, this one place is already occupied by A. The other two places will be occupied by the other four students.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be in how many ways? 4C2.
Yes, ma'am.
This thing is clear. Now the other possibility is that A is not there in the selected students. Can I have that possibility?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will
Also,
be in three ways. So I can, so I need to select three students from this remaining four students. Yes or no? A is not there. So A is not there. So that means these three places are being occupied by these remaining four students.
yes, ma'am.
So it will be 4C3.
Yes, ma'am.
So in short, what I am saying is that the three students that I am selecting, I have two ways in which one person is already there, and or I can have a condition in which that one person is not there. Can I have, if you are selecting anything, let's suppose I have balls. Okay, let's have two different kinds of balls, right? I have red ball, I have white ball, I have blue ball, something kind of like this. Okay, so if I have to select two balls, I can have two ways in which in the I can have red, or I am not having any red balls in that. Can I have that?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
We can
one
do
ball
that.
is already there, or that one ball is not there. I can have
Yeah.
two conditions like this, right? In each of the
Yes.
cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Okay, ma'am.
can I say my 5C3 is actually what? 4C2 plus 4C3?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I do.
that's it. Anything else?
Ma'am, the live sessions and today's that was the open session. It is always taken by the our instructor, and
Once again, what?
ma'am, the live sessions and open sessions are taken
Hmm.
by
The
in
instructors. Um,
instructors, and the
hmm.
TA sessions are taken by the students.
By your seniors.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, that was it out. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Yeah. Anything else?
Ma'am, you were going to tell the how to make the portfolio for the uh, extra activity.
Portfolio. I just need to click it. Is it open? See, the portfolio thing is already there in the video. That is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
है
I
ना?
need about activity 2. I need more clarity.
In activity 2, what? Okay, let me see what is in there. Enter the URL
You
for
need
the
to take some
statistics
1,000
one.
rows and from that you need to click.
And the details about the extra activity is given in lesson title. This lesson, please make sure that you go for the grading criteria and example summation for activities which was referring to summation. Okay, response. Okay. What is there in the description too? Results of the quality of the students portfolio website recommendations. Pick a suitable data set from a trustable source of your selected participation has at least 1,000 rows and at least 5 columns are contained both categorical and numerical variables. The data source in this transfer the data from the source mentioned above in a Google spreadsheet. You can either embed the spreadsheet and you can just wait for the patient managers. Okay, so basically what you have to do is you have to take a data set in which you have 1,000 rows or more than that, and it should at least contain 5 columns. Okay, and in that data set there should be a categorical and numerical both of the variables. Correct. Now these thing the data set that you are selecting, that data should be okay, that data set should be transferred into a Google spreadsheet, right? Spreadsheet is like the Excel thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now from that you have to identify like what are the categorical and numerical variables, what are the scales of measurements, what are the discrete and continuous variables, and like that. And you have to visualize the data set. Okay. So you have to do these two things in that data set, and you have to like give reason why it is a categorical and numerical, why if it's a interval scale of measurement, why it is an interval scale of measurement, why it is a discrete or a continuous variable, something. So you have to give reasons for all of these things. And yeah, these are the things that you have to do in that after selecting the data set.
Do we have to
Okay.
make
1,000.
1,000. It should at least contain 1,000 rows.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the activity description, there is a data set. So can we use that? Also, there is
You
another data set in which we are, it is states that what is categorical, what is numerical variables.
where is the data in the example sample spreadsheet?
Ma'am, in activities description.
Yes, the
In the
sample one.
That is for the grading perspective. That's not an example.
you have to take your own data set. You have to find a data set, and then you have to do all these things. Okay.
And ma'am, what about the peer reviews? I don't understand that.
Peer review is actually done after submitting all these activities. So peer review is actually what you are reviewing the others activity as well and giving them marks. Okay, that is a peer review thing. So you have to do at least 5. If you're
How to
not
do?
doing 5 reviews, then you won't get any marks in the extra activity. Okay.
And ma'am, do we have to make the chart also for the variables because it's shown in the sample one?
Yeah, you have to see in the second point they are saying na visualize the data set using suitable plots. You have to visualize it na.
Okay.
Okay. So the last date is actually 5 na.
Yeah.
There is a time. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do it. And you have to do the peer reviews as well. Just remember to do the peer reviews. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
sir.
did it, but what is that peer review? I cannot understand.
That's after
Peer
submission
review
of
is
peer
actually
review.
you are reviewing the others activity.
It
See,
will be
everybody
shown
is
in the
doing this.
dashboard.
It will be shown in the dashboard. You will be assigned some extra activities for the other candidates. So you have to give them marks for the activities. That is peer review.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. And you have to do at least 5. If you're not doing that, you won't be awarded any marks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Peer review is the main thing. If you have done the extra activity, that is not the matter. You have to do the peer reviews. Then only you will get the marks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Do we have to do peer review before submission or after the submission?
No. After you are submitting the activity only, then you will get the that portfolios of the different students, right? So after the submission, on 5th, like 5th is the last date. So on 6th and 7th, you have the time to do the peer reviews.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay then. Anything
Can I
else?
ask one more thing?
Ma'am,
Sorry.
then hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, then our means our activity is also evaluated by the other
Students.
student.
Correct.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
So
just
just
another question.
Hmm.
Sorry, just another question out of the box.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in the qualifier, for the qualifier, okay, for the
Hmm.
reattempt of the quiz 2, the syllabus will be for week 1 to week 4 or week 5 to week?
For the qualifier, right? Reattempt of
Yes,
qualifier, correct? It will be from 1
yes.
to 4 only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, imagine if I attempt the 1 to 4, and after that there is an end term examination, right?
Once again, what?
After the qualifier quiz 2,
Huh.
there would be
Huh.
an end term examination, right?
Correct.
In the month of December. So in that end
Hmm.
term, then we need to give the end term would consist of all from week 1 to week 12,
Week
right?
1 to 12, yeah.
Okay, and even if like clear the qualifier 2, but still you will be considered in the September batch itself, right?
If you clear the qualifier,
Quiz 2, then still
huh.
we would be considered in the September batch, and we
Yeah,
would be able to give the end term examination for
end
week
term
1 to
exam. Week,
yeah,
huh.
okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh,
Bye.
okay, so that's it. Any other questions?
Not
No,
from my
ma'am.
side. Thank you.
Ma'am,
No? Okay. So when you are doing the peer reviews, please give marks according what they deserve, okay? Just do it
ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
nicely. Yeah.
ma'am,
And be in good health.
ma'am,
Yes?
actually in my portal, it is showing
Hmm.
that the due date for the extra activity as well as its peer review submission is 5th November.
Huh? No, the
Yes,
peer
ma'am.
review submission is actually 9th.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
just
Thank you.
just check it because in mine it's showing 5th and 9th. So just check it once again, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay
Ma'am,
then. Yes. Yes. Tell me.
for the people who are giving reattempt this
Hmm.
November,
Hmm.
the syllabus is just 1 to 4 weeks, right? The first
Ah,
4 weeks.
ah.
So, should we still uh, do all the assignments the week 5, 6, and all
Just
according
do
to
it. If
the
you
due
pass,
dates?
then it is good for you, na? Let's
Time we
suppose
have to
if
Yeah.
do
you
it, right?
have to do it. If you let's suppose you are just if you are that confident that you can do it, like you will be pass the exam, then it's good, na? Because this extracted in everything will carry marks, bonus marks. So it's good for you only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay then. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
That's it. Okay then. So shall we end the meet now? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Okay
ma'am.
then.
I'm
Thank you
out.
so
Thank you.
much.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night. Okay. Good night.
Bye.
Bye,
Good night,
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Good
Thank you,
ma'am.
night.
ma'am.
Good night.